Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create quiz in Canva. First things first, visit canva.com and make sure that you're logged into your Canva account. Then in the search bar you can type YouTube videos or you can choose this YouTube video icon on your screen and hit the enter button and then you will land on screen like this. Here you can browse through the available templates and select the one that fits your style. Once you like a template, click on it and then choose customize this template to start editing and then you will land on this editing screen. Click on elements on the left side of your screen and then in the search bar, you can search for videos which you would like. So here I'm searching for quiz related videos. So what you have to do is now browse through these available videos and choose the one which works for you. I think this is going to look good. So I'm going with this one. Here you can see. Here you can also add text to fit your quiz theme. You can rename the title. For example, you can name it a travel quiz or a general knowledge quiz, anything. So once done, let's move to the next step. So for this, what you have to do is click on the plus icon at the bottom to add page and then go to elements and search for background to choose a dynamic background. Then click on graphic and select a background. Once it is added to your canvas, expand it to cover the entire screen. You can rotate it and position it properly. Now this is going to be our background of quiz. So here what I'm going to do is add a text. For this, click on text on the left side of your screen and then click on add a heading. Now place it at the top of the screen. Now what you have to do is type your question here. And if you want to change the text color, then choose the text and click on text color at the top and then you can choose any color from these available colors. Now once the question is added, go to elements and then in the search bar type shapes. Now it's up to you whatever sort of shapes you want to add. In my case, I'm going with square for answer choices. Now once you add a shape, copy and paste multiple choice blocks like A, B, C, etc. Once it is done, you can also customize colors for clarity. For example, green for correct answer. Now what you have to do is add multiple choice answers here according to your question. So for this, go to text and click on add a heading and then add options in these given boxes. Resize and adjust each answer block for readability. You can also search for relevant images and elements. For this, go to elements and search for photos. For example, here my question is related to space, or optionally, you can use short video clips to make the quiz more interactive. And once done, resize and position the image or video within the quiz slide. Now, midway through the question frame, split the page. For this, click on the point where you would like to add split, and then from the menu that appears, choose Split Page. And move this green answer block to highlight the correct answer. Now click on this green box and click on Animate. Now you can choose any animation effect from here to emphasize it. You can also add transitions between slides for a smoother experience. You can adjust timing and animations for consistency. Once this whole process is done, preview your quiz to ensure everything flows properly. And you can see now this looks really great. So once done, click on share in the top right corner and then choose download. With that, this video is going to be saved in your gallery.